Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 your Windows license will expire soon error. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr space, -rear m. Second method is type group policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components, click and expand Windows Update. Open No Auto Restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations, change to enabled, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.